If you look at this problem now, there are two sets which are given, okay, where n belongs to the set of natural number is told in the problem. What is the value of x union y is the question asking you. So what you do when n is equal to 1, here you put n is equal to 1, x is equal to, what will be the element now when you put n is equal to 1? The element will be like this, right? The element will be 4 to the power 1, that is 4, minus 3 minus 1. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to how much? 0. Correct, when n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 2. Your answer to the question will be 16 minus 6 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Correct. Put n is equal to 3. When you put n is equal to 3, 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 64 minus of 9 minus 1, that is equal to 54. Put n is equal to 4. When you put n is equal to 4, you will get 256 minus of, so 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 minus 1. So 256 minus 13, 256 minus 13, which will be equal to 243, and so on it continues, and so on it continues. So your set x, therefore your set x will have elements called 0, 9, 54, 243, and so on it continues, right? So on it continues. Similarly, if you consider here putting n is equal to 1, what do you get? 9 into 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Put n is equal to 2, so you'll get 9 into 2 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Put n is equal to 3, 9 into 3 minus 1, that is equal to 18, correct? Put n is equal to 4, so what is this? 9 into 4 minus 1, that is equal to 27. If you can clearly see here, this set will be a bigger set, right? This set will be a bigger set because it has all multiples of 9, 0, 9, 18, 27, and so on. If you can see here also, these are also all multiples of 9, 5 plus 4, 9. How do you check for divisibility by 9? Add all the numbers. If it's divisible by 9, answer is also divisible by 9. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, which means here also all multiples of 9, here also all multiples of 9. You can clearly see here x is a subset of y, right? X is a subset of y. This implies to me that x union y should be equal to always the bigger set. So what will be the answer to the question? The answer to the question is y.